J in pet, then written I, and if all this condition not works, then written -1. Run this code, submit this code. Minimum index character. In this question, we have given two strings. We have to find that minimum index of the character in string that also present in this string. Means suppose S is also present in str, but it is present in index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th position. And E also present in string str, it is present in 1st position. So 4th position is minimum or 1 position is minimum. 1 is minimum, so we have to return 1. And T, check for T. T is not present in string, this string. So we have to check characters in pet string, and we have to check their position in string, this string str. If it is present, then we have to find that whose character position is minimum. In this example, O is not present in str, and which is also not present in K and L, both are not present in str. So we have to written -1. There are no common characters in both of the string. So how can we solve this? In Python we use enumerate function. What enumerate function will do? It will make dictionary. In this dictionary it will provide numbers, indexes to the character of this string. In enumerate we will pass str. So this will give output in this way. Means it store characters with the index. The index start with 0. G is given as index 0. E as 1, and so on. So how we can access it? We can access this enumerate function dictionary by passing, suppose we are storing indexes in I value and these values of characters in J. So how can we write syntax of it? For I, J in enumerate. This will be the syntax. We will pass enumerate function in str, and then we will check if J in pet if yes, then written I. This line of code, what it will written? This dictionary. I will store the values of index and J will store the characters. So we will check if G is present in pet, no. If E is present in pet, yes, E is present. So we will access the index of E, that is 1. So we will get 1 in our output and we will return it. No need to check further. because we are checking from starting and starting elements are at minimum index, and if all the condition runs and we found nothing, so we will return -1. So let's see the code. For I comma j in enumerate, if j in pet, then return I, and if all this condition not works, then return -1. Run this code, submit this code.